phonics for every child today. Jolly phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly phonics, a sure good way to teach. Jolly phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly phonics for every child today.
Hello Jolly learners at home. I am Jolly Abbas and I am back to teach you the next letter sound. Before we start the lesson, let me ask you one question. What letter sound is this? Yeah, very good. So can you remind me or sing the Jolly song that helps us to remember this letter sound? Great! Let me join you and sing it together. Okay, 1, 2. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. Wonderful. So children, story. Do you like my story? Yes. Very good. Musa fell down from a tree and he had a pain. So he decided to go to the doctor. The doctor used an X-ray machine to check if his bones were broken. The X-ray machine makes the sound kss, kss, kss. Children, can we try and do it together? Okay, pretend you hold the camera. Let's go. 1, 2. Kss. Let's go again. Kss. Again. Kss. And again. Very good. So children, from this short story, can you produce or tell me the sound that X-ray machine produce or make in the story? The sound is what? Kss. Say it again. Kss. Very good. So can you show me the action that the doctor did when snapping the picture in the story? Show me the action. Can we go together? Kss. Again. Kss. Again. Kss. And again. Kss. Very good, children. So this is the sound we are learning today. It's the sound we are learning today. So the sound is kss. The sound is very good. Okay, children, let us look at the formation or how to write this letter sound. First of all, let us look at the formation on the board. So I want to write it in between the two blue lines. Ready? Have a look. Start from the point, slash down to the left. You start from another point, slash down to the right and stop. Next one, start from the point, slash down to the left. You start from another point, slash down to the right and stop. The next one, start from the point, slash down to the left. You start from another point, slash down to the right. That's very good. So children, next is in the air. So we are going to write this little sound kss in the air. You ready? Your magic pencil, take it up, start from the point, slash down to the left, start from another point and slash down to the right and stop. Shall we take it again? Here we go. Start from the point, slash down to the left, start from another point, slash down to right and stop. Very good. Let us look at the formation of the sound X in our Jolly Phonics people book. So look, remember to use your pencil, not your magic pencil this time around. So the sound is tortoise? Great. So we're going to start. Here we go. Start from the point, slash down to the left, start from another point, slash down to the right and stop. Have you seen it? Okay. Let us trace the next one together. Here we go. Start from the point, slash down to the left, start from another point, slash down to the right and stop. Have you seen it? So you trace the remaining three. Then these separate points are your own starting points to practice writing your own X sound. So here we go. Let me join you and write at least one or two. Here we go. Start from the point, slash down to the left. Start from another point, slash down to the right and stop. Next one, start from the point, slash down to the left. Have you seen it? Start from another point, slash down to the right and stop. The next one, start from the point, slash down to the left, start from another point, slash down to the right and stop. Very good, children. So, after forming this letter sound in our Jolly Phonics, in our what? Jolly Phonics people book, let us look at the words that contain the sound we are learning today. Good. Okay, children. Let us look at the first word. Okay. When I touch the sound button, you produce the sound. Here we go. B. O. X. Blend them together. Box. Very good. Remember, you can also say what? B and O. Together make bo, 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 bo. When you get x and put it at the end, bo, x, make box. Can you hear it? Bo, x, make box. Very good. Let us look at the next one. Okay, this time around, I say, when I touch the button, the sound button, you produce the sound. Ready? Here we go. S. E. X. Blend the sounds together. 6. Very good. Okay, children, you can also say, okay, now let us use a blending song. Okay, here we go. Can I hear you say s, s? Can I hear you say e, e? Can I hear you say x, x? When we put them together, 6. When we put them together, 6. When we put them together, 6. Can I hear you say s? Can I hear you say e, e? Can I hear you say x, x? When we put them together, 6. When we put them together, 6. When we put them together, 6. Very good. Look at this letter sound. Can you produce the sound? Very good. And this one? Very good. What about this one? Very good. And the last one? Very good. So, you are reading instrument out? Are we set to go? Let's go. Blend the sounds together. Next. Can we take it again? Blend the sounds together. Next. Very good. In these pictures, 3 of them contain the x sound we are learning, and 1 does not. Okay, what is the name of the first picture? Box. Correct. So do you hear sound x in box? Very good. But is this at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? Exactly at the end of the word box. And then, so you color this picture. The next picture is great, sheep. Do you hear sound x in sheep? Lovely. There's no sound there. The x sound is not there. So what do we do? Exactly, to cross out this picture. So what is the name of the next picture? Look at it. Exactly 6. Do you hear sound x in 6? Lovely. At the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? At the end. Very good. So you color the picture. And the last picture is, no, it's not dog. It's not a dog. Look at it again. Great. Fox. So do you hear sound x in fox? Exactly, you hear the sound at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end. Exactly at the end. Lovely. So children, get ready to count the sound in the following words. I'm going to call out 2 words, one by one, and you are going to use your fingers to count the sounds in them. Ready? The first word is fox. Shall I repeat? Fox. Okay, how many sounds? Okay, let us count together. O, x. 3 sound exactly. Great. The next word is box. Shall I say it again? Box. How many sounds you hear in this word? Okay, let us count. B, x. Okay, you are good, clever. So it's what? B, O, x. Exactly 3 letter sound in the word box. Okay, children, bring out your exercise book. I'm going to call out some sounds and a simple word, and you are going to write. Are you ready? Lovely. You write S, E, X. Tell me the word. 6. Very good. And then now you write the following sounds down. S, X, G. Thank you very much. Let us listen to the jolly song of the latest sound we learned today.
Take an X-ray, take an X-ray, take an X-ray, X-ray of my hand.
Thank you very much, and I trust today you learned something new. Don't forget to keep on practice at home. See you next time. Bye bye.
Jolly phonics for every child today. Jolly phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly phonics, a short good way to take.